Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of the Reese Show. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of you. And by the title, you can see that this here is a review. So if you're not into reviews, I'm going to have to ask you to hit it on to the left and catch me on my next video if you're not into them, okay? But for those who are into them, thank you and welcome back, okay? So now look at here. I had this company called Modelones reach out to me and ask me if I would like to do a review on a few of their products. So I said, sure, why not? Be great. All right. So now this is the items that they sent me. In this box here, there's gel polishes. Okay. Now, I wasn't expecting gel polishes, but since I have them, hey. But so there's like 7 jars in here. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't know if you can see the color of this one. I hope it's not blurry. Let me see. Make sure it's not blurry. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm gonna have to swatch these, but these are so pretty. I'm going to try and go through them real fast for you. Oh, this is a gold one. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Oh, these are beautiful. These are beautiful. Okay, let me just sit them. Uh-oh, sit them over here. Oh, this is another girl. These are these are pretty. OMG. Wow, these are gorgeous. Okay, this is another one here. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. These are gorgeous. Okay, they don't have any names on them. Okay. No. These are amazing. Oh, look at that silver girl. These are just in time for the holiday. OMG. Oh, this one is pretty too. It's one of my least favorites, but it's pretty nonetheless. It's a very pretty color. Okay, Modelones. Modelones. I'm just, ooh. Oh, and it's blue. Look at that blue. Fantastic, baby. Fantastic. Okay, y'all, and along with these gel polishes, I also received this beautiful pouch here. And it is to be genuine leather. Girl, I said leather. It is to be genuine leather. And it has the name on it, Modelones. Okay. And it's nice. It comes with the strap, gold buckle strap. Okay. And here it go right there with the leather part. Okay, now they asked me to model this here purse for you guys. So I'm going to have to take y'all to the other room for that, if you don't mind. We'll do that in a minute. But yeah, so this is how deep the bag come. How deep it is. It's pretty deep down in there. And it also comes with these trinkets here. And these trinkets is what goes in the bag. So if you're on the go to do someone's nails, this would be perfect to take with you. Just put your little body bag on, baby. Yeah. Be like, hey, I'm here to do some nails. I'm here to do some nails. All right, y'all. Look, this is so cute. It's like a little lipstick too. Then it got Modelones on here as well. And look. You roll it up like that, girl. And it's a brush. Look at that. That's too cute. That's so cute, right? Oh, that is so cute. Then it comes with 2 files. This is a 100 and 180 washable disinfectable file. Nice, thick and sturdy. And this one is a 100 by 180. This one is nice too. Look like it'll last you a pretty long time. Then it comes with these here. Little cute little nippers. These are cute. Got the little top to it. That's too cute. And it also comes with a cuticle pusher. It comes with this cute little black toenail clipper or nail clipper. It's not a toenail clipper, it's a fingernail clipper. And it also has Modelones on it. Modelones. Look at me messing up the name. But yeah, that's so cute. And then it comes with 2 brushes here. This one here is a striper. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's a nice little brush. It also has the name on it. Modelones. Okay. And then it also comes with a gel brush. Look at that. Nice. This also has the name on it. Uh-oh. Is it focusing? There we go. Has the name on it. Okay. It also comes with these here. I don't know exactly how many it is. I haven't counted them. But I know it has to be over 50. These are some Model 1 pads to remove the UV gel off your nails. Okay. And they give you a ton of those. Alright. So now I'm going to take y'all in this other room here. And get this bag right here modeled. This is a real nice bag. Look at that. I'm going to show y'all how you wear this here thing. Okay? Alright, y'all. In a minute. Okay, y'all. I apologize. Before I go over here to this other room and show y'all this bag, I just want to come real fast and let y'all know. My fault. The bottles do have the names on them. I did not look at the bottles that well, but they do have the name on them. Okay? All of them do have names on them. And when I sit down and swatch them, I'll go over the names with you then. Alright? Okay, so and another thing I want to say, if you go by this site and purchase this kit, just keep in mind that you will have your kit within 3 to 5 days. Okay? 3 to 5 business days, you will have your kit. Okay? So alright, now come on y'all. Let's go on over here to this beauty room so I can show y'all this bag and how it look on your body. Alright, in a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Now, I just want to show y'all real fast how this thing look on your body. Now, I didn't feel like putting on no clothes today because I don't feel too good. But I just go ahead and put it on my model over here. Now, that's Victoria. Y'all say, what's up, Vicky? Hey, Vicky. Hey, y'all. How you doing? Anyway, so Vicky said she'll go ahead and sport, although she a little bit on the wrinkle side. But she all right. She's still pushing through. Because not only is it a tool kit, it also is a bodycon purse, okay? And I think she's wearing it well. What y'all think? Y'all think she's wearing it well? Because I sure think she's wearing it well. Alright, so I'm going to leave all the information down in the description bar below. Now, check it out. They're giving you $60 off this whole kit with all this here good stuff. Okay, y'all, just came real fast to show y'all the swatches, the colors of these beautiful gels, and give you guys the names. Okay, so we're gonna start off with this one. I only did 4. I'm gonna do the other 3 right now so you guys can see how well these polishes glide on and how pretty they apply to the nail. Okay, this first one right here is called Purple Ring. I don't know if you can see the name on this jar because it's so small, but it's called Purple Ring, and this is the color. Okay. Alright, and this one is called Shiny Pearl. Shiny Pearl. So pretty. And look at the color of this one, y'all. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know if this camera is doing it any justice, but it's like a nice, beautiful gold. OMG, OMG. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. This next one here is called Magic Blue. And here's the swatch to that one. So pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Magic Blue, y'all. These are such beautiful colors. Okay. And then this here one is called Pinky Drink. Okay. Let me see if it'll focus. Come on now. Focus for me, baby. This one is called Pinky Drink. Okay, and this is the color of this here one. That's beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Now, oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. On that side. That's so pretty. I'm going to swatch the remaining 3 I have here on camera so you guys can see how they apply. This one is called Golden High Heel. Alright, okay. Alright, now I'm going to swatch it. Oh, these are so pretty. Show you how it applies to the... Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look at that, y'all. Ooh wee, these are so pretty. Now, I'm not a real big fan of glitter gel polishes. Well, I can't say I'm not because they starting to grow on me. And I'm gonna go cure this here. I'm gonna add a second coat to it. I may not do that on camera. I'm gonna add a second coat to it and come back and show y'all how it look with 2 coats on the nail there. Okay, let me get this other one out the way. And this one is called Diamond Rain. This one is called Diamond Rain. Okay. All right, let's see how well this here one performs. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at that, y'all. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, that is so pretty. Do I have to keep saying that? Yeah, I do. Okay. Look at that. Pretty. Now, just like the gold, when I'm going to add a second coat to this one, and I'm going to come back and show it to you as soon as I cure them. Well, right after I cure them. Okay, and this last one I want to show you guys, it's called Glitter Night. Okay. Let me show you how this here one performs. Ooh, it's really chunky one. Oh, this is really chunky. Oh, it's a pretty color, but it's so chunky. It's really chunky. This one is here. So it's not that easy to apply. All the other ones go on okay, but this one I'm having problems with. But it's still a pretty color. Look at that. I'm going to add a second coat to it and then I'm going to come back. Okay, here are the 3 colors again after I added a second coat to them. And this is Glitter Night here. And this one I must say is my least favorite because it is kind of hard to apply to the nail. It's kind of chunky. The color is not that bad, but it's still like, you know, I can't even describe the color. It's like a purple midnight. I guess that's the right name. Night, huh? It's called Glitter Night. Okay. And this here one is called Golden High Heels. And this here one I must say I love. It's a beautiful color. Beautiful gold. And this here one is Diamond Rain. Okay. Now I'm going to go show you the rest of them again that I have already swatched earlier. And this one again is Pinky Drink. Here. This here one is Magic Blue. This here one is Purple Ring. And this last one here is called Shiny Pearl. Okay, here's all 7 of the colors. Alright, very pretty. Very pretty colors. Okay, so y'all, that's my time. Y'all let me know what y'all think of this here. This bag, again I say, because I'm loving it. And that's my time, y'all. I'm gonna get back with y'all with a whole nother other video. Alright? Alright, y'all, in a minute.